Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find settings on your account on Pinterest, easy and quick. First click on your profile and now click here, and here you will find settings, click on it, and as you see here you can manage your settings as you want, and you can manage your account informations, your actions, your support settings, and that's it. That's how to find settings on your account on Pinterest, and that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.